These pet wipes are going to be a game changer if you have a messy cat or a messy dog. They are easy to transport, easy to open, and they work really well. So each package comes with 100 pieces of wet wipes, and they are 8 inches by 6 inches and very durable, and they're very, very soft material. And one thing that I love about this is that it does not have a scent to it at all. So if you or your animal is sensitive, there's not going to be any issues. It's going to help deodorize. It has a healthy coat. It's hypoallergenic and antibacterial. So I'm going to show you how my crazy dog reacts. This is Rocco, and I rescued him off of the interstate, and he was in such bad condition. So he's scared of all of the things, and I was so happy that he let me wipe off his mouth and his eyes, his ears, and his little paws. So if you're looking for a really great wipe for your animal, I love this one and highly recommend it, and think you would love it as well.